Hi you guys, so today I'm at Rolling Ridge Floral Design where I'm going to make my holiday centerpiece and I'm so excited. So I'm going to show you a couple around the room and then I'll show you the decorations and then at the end I'll show you my final results. Okay, so here are the decorations and I assume we're going to put in our centerpiece the sprigs, pine cones. I think that's a dove. You know, these little and ornaments and berries, apples. You guys, this is great. But overall, Rolling Ridge Floral Design is inside of Royal Ridge Riding Stables in Laytonsville, Maryland. And this is a beautiful space. It's on top of these horse stables underneath. So let me walk over here and see if we can see the horse stables outside the window. Oh yeah, there the horse stable. And I'm not going down there to see the horses, so y'all out of luck. But this is beautiful. Here are some more things here. Look at the sleigh and the flowers and the candles. Again, I can't wait to show you the end. Here's the material that came with the class. So she gave us a sponge that you put the flowers in, a pot, and the cutting material. Next, I want you to see what it looks like during. And finally, here are my classmates. They did such a wonderful job that I had to take their picture as well. Here is the final view that I created. You guys, it has berries, ornament, pine cones, different foliage. It's beautiful. And me, the birthday girl. Have a great one. You guys, I have put the centerpiece on my table without my decorations yet. So I'm going to put down my holiday placemats, and then this centerpiece will fit right in. I want to thank you again for watching this video. You have a wonderful day. Again, this is Vlogmas 2021, day 21, and it is also the first day of winter.